What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Let me know what you think of, the content. If you've got any requests, send them through. Check out the Discord. A link will definitely be below. And yeah, let's just get into this one. So we've got that boring, same old red and white Nike sportswear box. It doesn't need any introduction. It doesn't need us to give it a few more seconds of attention. So this pair is the Air Max SC. The colorway on this is black, aka triple black. The size on these is actually incorrect, but I thought, reviews must review. So that's 9.5, UK 8.5, centimeters 27.5, BR 41, Euro 43. Style code is CW 455003, and they're made in Indonesia. My size is usually around 9.5, 10, so that is wrong, but we still got to review them. The Air Max SC triple black. Straight off the bat, these give me big like Air Max Commando vibes with a bit of this and a bit of that mixed in. They are a kind of cheaper alternative to those, made for those different companies who sell kind of like a more budget version or a cheaper version. Definitely not like Foot Locker, JD stock, Foot Asylum stock. We'll just go through everything. They are triple black, so it's a bit hard to explain everything. The sole, we've got that sole, very lazy to be honest. Doesn't feel like, or doesn't look like it's got much grip on it. So same old standard sole on the Nike SC. If you've seen them before, if you haven't, then that could be new to you. We've got the bubble. Feels very odd and very soft. The bubble, to be honest, does remind me of different Air Maxes and stuff, the whole midsole and everything. I just think it's a way cheaper, way lighter version. They haven't put in enough effort into this pair. Then all of the leather parts is that tumbled leather that we've seen before on other models. The back actually has the Nike Air and then like a sticker, Nike Air. Got a bit of plastic here that's not even plastic, it's like a leather. But yeah, you can tell it's that not the good leather. It is a cheaper version. I'm not saying it's bad, but it is very, you can tell it's quite cheap. The mesh we've got feels like standard mesh, to be honest. We've got the same on this side, so that bubble. And yeah, to be honest, I don't really have the most to say about these. Reason being is they do feel very cheap. They are cheaper than the normal shoe, but I want to see a bit more effort from Nike on a cheaper range. I want to see a bit more details, because at the end of the day, people are paying for these. So yeah, I'd like to see a bit more. Nike, you can contact me directly. Email is in the bio or somewhere. You'll find the email. Contact me, I'll help you out. But yeah, I don't really have too much more to say. Reason being is these are a triple black sneaker. Nothing amazing, just a simple plain old. They give me vibes from different Nikes. So, Air Max 90 bits and bobs, different Nikes, to be honest. Like it's like they remixed them, they put them all in a blender and made a milkshake. But yeah, let me know what you think. They are quite lightweight. Let me know what you think. Tell me if you like them, if you hate them, if you rate them, if you got a pair, if you're going to get a pair. Check out every video. There's loads of videos there. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. I have to always say like, comment, share, subscribe, like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah, bell icon, all that good stuff. Wait a few moments for the on foot video. You also see a on foot video separately uploaded. That's what I do. And yeah, make sure you take care, people.